Earn $500 a day passive income on Autopilot. I'm gonna show you how to generate a link that every time somebody clicks on it, you're gonna get paid 2 times, okay? If you think you've heard of this before, you have not, because I invented it. This is the first time I'm bringing it to the public, and I'm bringing it to you right here on Online Moneymaker. This method's working right now in 2021, baby. This is a brand new method for anybody that wants to make $500 a day, Autopilot passive income. Do you think these tattoos just appeared on me? Hell no, these things are expensive. I know how to make money. I know how to do it online. Make money online 2021. You gotta subscribe to Online Moneymaker right now, baby. Do it for me. Do it for the sea turtles out there. People that don't subscribe to Online Moneymaker, they end up right there in the garbage can. No, I'm kidding. No, they don't. But you could end up selling shit on the beach like her right there. I should go tell this lady right now about Online Moneymaker, okay? I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna go up to a complete stranger and tell them about Online Moneymaker. Watch this. Hi, ma'am. Have you heard of the YouTube channel Online Moneymaker? No. There's a YouTube channel called Online Moneymaker. Have you heard about it? No? Oh, no habla inglés? Okay, I don't know how to say Online Moneymaker in Spanish, but you should subscribe. Thank you. You know who else doesn't speak English? This guy right here, Toby, my cat. He doesn't speak English, I swear to God. You tell this cat to do something, he completely ignores you. This cat does not speak English. But this cat did subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Now he's living the fabulous life right here in Santa Monica, California. Let's get into this tutorial right now. There you go. Welcome to Online Moneymaker, everybody. Hey, check this out. These are all people that are cashing out as we speak into their PayPal account, okay? They're doing this every single minute all over the world, but they're only using half of the method I'm going to show you today, all right? What I'm going to show you today is going to put $500 per day into your PayPal account or more, but this is a multi-step process. You need to follow me along exactly how I do it, okay? You're going to need to sign up for a couple free accounts on a couple different websites. It'll all make sense, and that's going to be starting with a Facebook page, okay? You're going to need a Facebook page for this. Now, don't worry, you will not be posting anything on your social media account, but you do need a Facebook page to make this work. So if you do not have a Facebook page right now, just go create a new one, put a fake name on there. It doesn't really matter. You don't need any friends on there. It only takes about 30 seconds, maybe less, to sign up for a Facebook page. That is step number 1. Step number 2, we need to come over to this social media marketing exchange called likeforlike.org. That's likeforlike.org, okay? This will be very quick. We just need to register for an account right here. It's completely free, okay? Create a username, create a password, retype the password, enter an email, retype the email, agree to the terms and conditions, say you're not a robot, and then submit, okay? Let's do that first. Now, once you've registered at likeforlike.org, you'll have to verify your email, and then you'll be brought to a dashboard that looks like this, okay? We want to come right up here to where it says Social Media Exchange and hit this drop-down button right here, and we want to go to Facebook Likes, okay? So just click on Facebook Likes, and what we want to do is build up these credits right here, okay? We want to get to about 50 credits, and to do that, we simply just like Facebook posts. So we can see that the value for this one is 4. So we just click on this right here. We just want to like that real quick, and then we'll get 4 credits. So there we go, confirm. And that's 4 more credits for us. This one right here, it would be 10 credits. As you can see, now we've got 40, so you just want to go through here and just start liking this stuff. And what we're gonna be doing is we are going to build these credits up, and then we're going to come back around at the end, and we're going to use those credits to get people to share this link for us. That's going to make us a bunch of money. Okay, let's move on to the next step now. Okay, now head over to a website called cpalead.com. That's cpalead.com, and we just want to register for a free account here. So come down under where it says publishers. We want to hit start earning right there. Okay, and you can either sign up with your Facebook page, and I would suggest probably just doing that because you should have a Facebook page. If you didn't have one before you started watching this video, you should have one now, because the Facebook page is a vital part of what I'm showing you today. So if you don't want to sign up with your Facebook page or Google, you can fill out the pertinent information right there, you know, name, password, email, I'm not a robot, submit information. So go ahead and do that. Let's get signed up to cpalead.com. Now, once you've completed your free sign up to cpalead.com, this is what your dashboard will look like. And what CPA Lead is, CPA stands for cost per action, okay? These are offers that we can promote, and the customer or whoever we're promoting it to, they don't have to buy anything. All they have to do is basically either fill out some information or just their email address, and then we get paid, and this would be the price we get paid per action, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do to set this up is you wanna come hit offers right here on the left side, okay? You wanna hit offers. Now follow me along here. You gotta do this exactly how I do it, okay? Under country, we wanna switch that to all countries, okay? Offer type, we wanna switch that down to email submits and surveys, okay? Just follow me here. Devices, keep that all devices. Advertisers, keep that all. Okay. Now I've got the product that you're going to want to promote here. Okay. It's a Win an iPhone 12 Pro. Here it is right here, and we can see that if we promote this iPhone 12 Pro, we're going to get paid 58 cents each time somebody just enters their email address, okay? So let me just show you what that's gonna look like if they were to click on your link. You can just click on the product there, you can hit preview right here, and this is the page that they will be taken to. Look how cool that is, that they will be taken to when they click on your link. And all they have to do for you to get paid 58 cents is enter their email address here and hit submit, and then you get paid. Now look at how cool this landing page is. Trust me, this product works. I've been using this one for a long time, okay? So what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and get this affiliate link right here. This is your affiliate link. So we want to copy that, and you need to save that into a folder somewhere, okay? So copy that affiliate link, save it into a folder, and we're going to move on to the next step. Now we want to come over to a website called 7r6.com. I know it says R7 URL short right here, but you can find this at 7r6.com. And this is where the magic happens, people. Now, we already know that from that link for that iPhone 12 Pro that we generated, we'll get paid 58 cents each time somebody enters their email address, essentially. But this, if we plug that URL into this site, we'll be generated a new link that's going to get us paid every time somebody just clicks on it, okay? So we're guaranteed to get paid anytime somebody just clicks on it, and then we'll get an additional 58 cents if they enter their email address, okay? That's why I said I'm going to show you how to get paid twice from the same link. So come to 7r6.com, and we want to sign up for another free account right here. Again, very, very easy. Username, email, password, agree to the terms and conditions, and register. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is what your dashboard here at 7r6.com will look like. You can see you can withdraw your money anytime right into your PayPal account just with the click of a button right there. But what we want to do here is we want to hit shorten link, okay? So click on shorten link right here, and we want to paste that URL that we got from cpalead.com. We want to paste that right in there, okay? And then we got to create a little alias, so just put whatever you want. I'll just put my username, which is smguy, okay? And then we want to hit shorten like that, and it's going to generate us a brand new link, and here it is right here, okay? See, so your alias is going to appear on this link, okay? So we want to copy this link right here. So copy that, save it into another folder. Now what we want to do with that link is we want to create a private post on our Facebook page. And a private post basically means only you can see it. We'll set it to private, so none of your friends will see this, don't worry. However, if we were to post that link as it sits right now with the word 7R6 in there, Facebook is going to immediately detect that as spam, and they won't let you put it up. So to get around Facebook's algorithm on this one, let's just take that link over to bit.ly.com, bit.ly.com, and we're gonna shorten it again, okay? So this is totally free. You don't have to register for anything. Just scroll about halfway down and paste that link right there. So paste it there. Okay, see it says 7r6.com. That's what sets off the Facebook algorithm. So hit shorten, okay? And now it does not say 7R6 anymore, it says bit.ly. So now we can post that. So copy that, okay? Let's go back over to Facebook. And now what we want to do here is we want to create a post. We want to say win or get a free iPhone 12 Pro, okay? So let's type that and get a free iPhone 12 Pro, just like this, and then put the link right under that. Now you want to make sure that under your name here that this is set to only me. You don't want that on, unless you want your friends to see it. If you don't care if your friends see this, you might as well just post it publicly, because they'll probably click on it too, and you're still going to get paid. So in my case, I want to make sure it's on only me, okay? So once that is all set, we can hit post right here, okay? Now once that posts, now it's time to come back over here to likeforlike.org, and now we want to use these credits we've built up, okay? So what you want to do here, you want to click on add and manage pages, okay? So click on that. And we want to do that by Facebook shares, okay? What we want to do, we want to get a bunch of different people to share that post, okay? Because that's just gonna multiply the amount of people that link gets in front of, and you're gonna get tons of clicks. So just click on Facebook shares right here, okay? And then you want to get your Facebook page URL right there, okay? Then you want to come back over to Facebook, and to get the link of the post you just hit, you just want to click on it right here. Just right click on the name of the link right there. Copy link address. Okay. Come back over to like for like. You want to paste that link description right here. Okay. Then you want to just say how many credits you want to use to do this. You should just use all the credits you have. Okay. So I think you can only do 20 at a time. So just do 20. Come back, do it again, and then hit add URL, and then people are going to do just like you were doing right here. They're going to see this, and they want to build up their credits by sharing your post, okay? So now you're going to get your link seen by hundreds of thousands of people. You're going to make $500 a day. Subscribe to Online Moneymaker right now, baby. We'll see you next time on Online Moneymaker.